we're doing this particular video today because I'll be sharing with you 3 to 4 ways by which you'll be able to earn through this X.me project. And let me quickly show you something. My community member have been asking me for me to create a video on how to actually, and this is why I'm creating particular video. So let me show you what I've done so far. Let me come to the last section. That is where my wallet section is. You come to this particular place, you could see I've actually created some posts. Everything I'll be sharing with you in this particular video to create posts and some other things I've been able to discover about this particular project. The major reason why you need to start it ASAP because this particular project, their token launch is coming up around late September, which is next month. So the earlier the better you start. That is why I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video. And don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload another new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular post. Look at it now. I've gotten around 26 followers. So let me tap on the wallet section here. Let me show you some magics. So now you can see now we have 3 tokens here. We have this is their native token, which is XME, and this Doge, and this BTC. Although I've done my research, you don't know it is through lottery that you'll be able to get their Doge, but I'll tell you how I was able to get BTC and this XME token, which I'll be sharing with you in this particular video. And you can see I have around, let me quickly show you, I have about 343.66 SME token, which worth around $4, $4.38. And you could see this is the token price now. It is around 0.01. And this BTC, I have 763.7 Satoshi BTC, and it's worth around 0.8. So if I'm able to get a lot of people to refer, I may be actually giving this particular BTC as a giveaway if I'm able to withdraw. That means if I'm able to get a lot of people who will be actually be registering. So let's go back to the date thing I will actually share with you. So these are ways by which you can earn in this particular project. So let me quickly show you something first and foremost here. So I think you could see something that is like gold here. This thing that I'm actually rotating that is like gold, because I'm saying that this particular thing that I'm using to navigate is not actually showing it. That thing that is actually, so you tap on it, is actually a gold icon. So if you're able to watch this particular video to this particular extent, you are very lucky, because I'll be sharing with you one of the most rare thing which a lot of people might not actually know. So the first thing is that if you have referrals, your referrals to those that you refer also counts a lot. As you can see now, I have 18 referrals that are offline. So if I'm able to scroll down, you can see they say 6 line for today, and you can see it has given me 60 gold coin. And so all this coin, gold coin, is what is later convert at the end of the day into BTC and XME token. And let me show you some certain things. So you could see estimated hourly earning. This is my estimated hourly earning. I will increase it, and you'll be able to see it in this particular video how I was able to increase it. You can see my hourly earning of XME is around 0.57, and I'm making 0.34 SAT, which is the Bitcoin. And you can see in the next 24 hours, I'll be able to make 9.55 XME, and I'll be able to make 5.73 SAT. So I think yesterday I was able to make around 24 XME, and I think it's not 10 SAT. So I'll be increasing it. The major reason why I have not increased it is because I want to share everything that I need with every one of us. So you could see this is one of referrals. So if you know, you can start referring people, start referring them. Let's go to the first one. The first method is through referrals. Let's go to invite. It's not necessary, if you don't know how to refer people, it's not necessary you still earn, because the other method I'll be sharing with you will actually be showing you, even though you did not refer a single person, now you'll be able to earn. So let it load. So yes, now this is it. Now you could see they say invite friend. The XMA just recently updated their app, which this is the latest campaign. Invite friends to earn. You could see BTC. So now for each friends you invite, you'll be able to get 10 XMA token and 30 sat of coin, and not one Bitcoin. Is one coin that is one Bitcoin, but any other thing less than one Bitcoin is called Satoshi. So this is so far so good with 26 individuals able to make 240 XME token and 720 SAC. So please, if you are watching this video, check the description and also in the comment section of this particular video so that I'll be able to get started. So you could see these are all the people. So let's move back. This is just the first one. The second one, which is one of the most important one, is the aspect of wallet. If you are watching this moment, I tell you, you are very lucky. So what you need to do is that you tap on this particular wallet. It will take you to a place on your browser. So let's leave it. Let's allow it to load. So for me, I've actually created the wallet from the onset, but for you, it will ask you to create this particular wallet, and you only have to check in every day. You see, for the time I've created this wallet, I've gained this is another point on its own, which I think a lot of that actually doing particular project does not know. And like what I've been telling in my community, that I've been doing a lot of research, yes, on how to earn. And you see, I've gotten 400 points. You see, that I've not actually missed a single day. And today is day 19. I've not actually claimed it because I want to show it to you. So after you have created yours, you go back to the XME app and it will bring you down to this place. You'll be on the same page here. Every day, just come in and check in. So now you just tap on check in. You see, the points will actually increase, because that point also will be catching it out on when it will be listing. You could see it is now 400. So what I just have to do is I just have to go back, or let me just go back. Later on, you could see now, you see it as I've actually claimed. You see I've actually claimed from my post a day. I've actually claimed the check-in. So for this one of post a day, what you just need to do, you see it like this, like a go to icon. When you tap on it, it will bring you, let me show you what it will bring you. It will bring you to an interface like this for you to post. That is what is this particular one is different from Tao project that you can just write anything, or you can just set a ChatGPT to just write you anything, or you can just check anything that you see on the net. You just set ChatGPT or any AI this thing to just write it for you. So let's say, let me just, can I even write this is one of this project that we are doing. Let me just post it. So you can just add any image of your choice. So you can just tap on, I'm just doing this for my community so that I'll be able to. So this is it. You just tap on it to post. If you go to my face section here, you can see what I post. I've just shown. So when you come to this particular place, you see it now. So that is when you'll be able to claim this particular one of post. So this one is ads. Let me show you the one of ads now. So this is the one of ads. So the ads now, you can see now, that's how I've been increasing my XMA. And let me show you something. You could see now I've gotten 318 coins now. So this particular ads, you could see now, out of 25 for each day, I've watched 7. So there are just 1 minute ads that you just need to watch, and you could see it is counting down. I have 5 hours left for today on. Immediately this 5 hours is as a lapse. All what you are seeing here will be converted and be given to me, and I will have to go and start all over again. So you just tap on this particular ad, it will load for you. Then you just watch that ad for 1 minute. You see this 300, it will increase. The way it is increasing, that is how my estimated hourly token and daily token will be increasing. Let me pause it. So you allow the ads to actually load completely. Then when it is load, you see something like this, or it will be showing here. That is when you know the ads is actually complete. Then when you tap on it, you see, you just go back. You don't need to download this. You just wait a little bit. Now you can see this sign. Let me quickly show you. This. Then you tap on it. You see now, you see they have given me 26. You see it has increased from 318 to 314. That is how my earnings also will be increasing. Let me show you something really quick again. When it comes to this my wallet section, this is where you receive notification of what you are giving every hours. So you could see that 32 minutes ago, you see what they gave to me every hours. I'll be earning, and if I'm able to scroll to around yesterday, you could see at some point yesterday I was earning 1.17 XME token and 0.7 SAT. And if you go to today, you see I'm not yet even earning 0. Because actually been busy today. So let's go to another ways by which you could earn. So another way by which you could earn is by reading posts, not actually reading. You see, It's almost completed now, less than 1 minute. Then it will come again. Then you just watch out. Then the next one is that watch content and end. So this one of watching content, you just tap on it. So if it has brought you to this particular place, if you are watching this one, I always see that the distance doesn't increase. You just come to this other aspect, which is I also choose Web3. Then when you come to this place, then you will be seeing this thing, the green that is almost completed, like and making a cycle shape is almost completed. After it is completed, you see they will be giving some points. So I don't like watching videos. It's all these ones that are not video. I always tap on it. You could see that you could see that it is increasing. Once it is completed, you will see I'll be giving some points. It is increasing. Immediately you are just tapping on all those posts. You don't need to read it. I'll be giving 10 of that coin. It will go and start over again. Let me look at some. It has started increasing. Let me go back. You see that it has increased to 344. So this is how you'll be increasing your point on every single day. So this is how main method by which you can actually increase your good point on every single day. And the last but not the least is that, in my community on my WhatsApp, I told you people to actually like one of my posts, and I was actually happy. I got 7 likes and 4 comments. So I thought maybe by dropping posts and people liking, maybe it's actually hard to part of the coins that we are being given. But I looked at it that it is not actually adding anything. Maybe because I'm unable to get way more than what some other people are getting. Because if you scroll down, you see some certain people getting more than 1K likes or the like. But immediately I come to my notification, you could see like this one now. 1.4K likes and 277 comments. So immediately I come to this notification, I saw that for the likes that I was giving, there was no coin that was actually given. I might be wrong, and also I might be right. So when it comes to the particular like, you could see I was just told that they like no coins out. So I think this particular one that I've actually shown you are just the ways by which you can actually increase your earning on this X.me platform. So if this video was this helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that again each time I upload any other new video. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section of this particular video and join my WhatsApp community for any latest update that I may not actually share here. Thank you and bye bye for now.